Mustard seems so normal in the kitchen that we barely think about it. We spread it on sandwiches, mix it in sauces and dressings, and use it to add flavor to so many meals. But have you ever wondered, what exactly is mustard? Welcome back to the What Is It playlist on Cooking at Home with Bella Lafay, where we learn the why behind the food we cook. Today we're talking about mustard, what it is, how it's made, and why it tastes the way it does. And it begins with mustard seeds. These tiny seeds come from mustard plants and can be yellow, brown, or black. Different types of mustard seeds create different flavors, ranging from mild to spicy. Manufacturers harvest the seeds, clean them, and prepare them to be turned into the condiment we know as mustard. How do they do that? If cooking at home is your vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The seeds are usually crushed or ground into a powder. Once ground, they're mixed with liquids like water, vinegar, lemon juice, or wine. The type of liquid used affects the flavor and heat level of the mustard. After the ingredients are mixed together, the mustard is blended until smooth or left coarse, depending on the style being made. Spices, salt, sweeteners, or herbs may also be added to create different varieties like honey mustard, Dijon mustard, or spicy brown mustard. Then comes the flavor building part. When the crushed mustard seeds mix with liquid, natural chemical reactions happen inside the seeds that create mustard's sharp, tangy taste. That's why mustard can taste mild at first or have a spicy kick that hits later. The mustard is then allowed to rest so the flavors can develop before being packaged and sold. So the next time you squeeze mustard onto a hot dog or stir it into a recipe, remember, you're working with something that started as a tiny seed in a field and went through an entire process of grinding, mixing, and flavor development before becoming the bold ingredient behind sandwiches, marinades, dressings, sauces, and so much more. Once you understand your ingredients, cooking starts to make a whole lot more sense. I'm Bella Lafay, and this is the What Is It playlist on Cooking at Home with Bella Lafay, where we find confidence in the kitchen, one ingredient at a time.